Are you ready to transform your creative vision into a reality? Design your future with Hennepin Technical College's graphic and web design program. In our hands-on classes, you'll master industry-standard tools to create everything from websites to product packaging.
I've learned quite a lot. All of the Adobe products, InDesign, Illustrator, Photoshop. I even learned how to do some of the animation with those programs.
Learn the fundamentals of graphic design, color theory, typography, and design principles before diving into digital and web design with the same tools as top designers in the industry. Build your portfolio at Hennepin Tech with real-world projects ready to showcase to employers and industry professionals.
That portfolio that they build starts day one when they come in, and then the very final class is that portfolio class, and it is a physical piece and a digital piece that they can bring to job interviews and to show their wide range of work.
Apply to Hennepin Tech's graphic and web design program and gain the skills you need to succeed.